Yo, so you're like 15, 16? Bro, that's amazing. You're 15 and you're watching videos like these? While everyone else your age, they're all playing video games. They're all like doing bad habits. And you're able to watch videos like these. You want to invest in yourself. You want to improve. You want to get like more gains and improve yourself. So when you're 20, when like all of those people who just start entrepreneurship, just start making money, just start improving their life, when they're in their 20s, you already had 5 years of experience. Like that's crazy. Imagine like you could have like so many times I would just want to time travel. Like when I'm 20 years old, when I finally am able to make money, when my parents finally allow me to do this and this, when I'm free basically from my parents. Like so many times I wanted to be like that. And imagine like building yourself up, preparing yourself for that moment in your life when you could finally make so much money. And I know it sucks that you can't make money right now, and like all those dumb videos saying like, "Oh, this is your last chance to get rich." All of that, like all of those videos are dumb. All right, like a lot of financial advice, a lot of like finance videos, money videos, business videos, like self-improvement videos maybe. Like they don't apply to us. They don't apply to us because like they're for the 20-year-olds who are just quitting video games, just not doing bad habits. But we're different than them. We're built different. We're literally built different. You're 15, and I just want to say I have so much respect for you, bro. Like honestly, the fact that you're able to improve yourself and like you probably go to school too. Everybody there doesn't want to do self improvement. Like you can't even talk about it like that because you just like it just like they don't care. Nobody cares. I just want you to know you're doing amazing right now. You're actually doing amazing. And I don't want to make this video just to glaze you for like 5 minutes, but like there are some things that you can do right now when you're 15 to elevate yourself and actually give you an opportunity to make money. So the first thing I want to talk about is like if your parents don't want you to do this or this or this, like they don't give your permission to make money, to start a business, do this, like make a product, go to work, get a job. They don't rely on you and they don't want you to do that because you haven't showed them any results. Like really, they haven't seen any changes in your life. And if you keep on changing yourself, if you keep if you're doing self-improvement for a while now and like they still don't like appreciate you or as much, understand that it will take some time. I know it's such a terrible answer and like yeah, it's going to take some time, but like maybe it is a good sign that you're not able to make money right now. Maybe it's just a sign that it probably is a sign and probably does mean that you should probably work more, like learn more. You should learn more, educate yourself more, build yourself up more. And just like a quick thing I want to talk about to give you some advice, like make a YouTube channel. Create something. Create more than you consume. Cuz there's so much stuff to consume. And I know it's good like to learn a lot of stuff when you're young, but if you create now, you'll get a competitive edge over all the other 15-year-olds, all the other people here. Like you're literally competing, like like in life, you're competing with 30-year-olds, 20 years old, 40 years old, business people and successful, amazing people, while you're 14, 15 years old. Isn't that just amazing? You're literally ahead of people by 30 freaking years. And imagine where you would be when you're 30, when you're 20. Like, doesn't that give you so much excitement and motivation? And a little smiles forming on your face right now? Like, that's awesome. You're 15 and you're able to do all these things in your life. Keep doing them. Keep staying consistent. Like, maybe even make a YouTube channel like I'm doing right now and just talk about things you learned. Help people, give people advice. Just have fun, enjoy the moments you have. Yeah, that's pretty much all I want to say. Like, you're doing amazing. Like, don't be pressured to like instantly you have to make money right now or you're gonna die. Like, no, you don't. You're fine. You're good. You're doing well. You're doing great. You're doing amazing. Like, don't be pressured to be like that. And Like, you're ahead of so many people, bro. Like, honestly, it's so hard to put in words how ahead you are in people. But when you go to your public school, when you go to like some random public place and you just see how everyone is, like, everyone's doing bad habits, and like they still are stuck with those, and they're like in their 20s, 30s. You're a lot better than you think, bro. You really are. And don't let this get to your head and like get an ego to think you're better than everyone else. Still stay humble. Still like be disciplined and dedicated, and don't, like, what is that word? Don't be complacent with where you are in life. Push to be more. Use your age to your advantage. That's what I'm doing right now. Like, invest in yourself. Give yourself something that can grow exponentially crazy in like 1 or 2 years. Yeah, just create more than you consume. Create more often and consume less, I would say. Yeah, so don't be distracted. You're doing amazing, bro, like, honestly. Like, I don't know what else to say, but like, I just know I needed to hear this a few years ago when I was like absolutely stressed out about what to do. You probably felt like that too, watching a million Eman Gadget videos about Andrew Tate, like how to make money, bunch of podcasts. And like they would always talk about like, oh, like, yeah, my main advice for teenagers would just be to learn. And like, I already heard that. Like, that's the 20th time. Like, surely there's something else. Like, surely I know there's 15-year-olds making 10K a month and this and this. Yet they would not talk about that at all. So I would just say, like, once again, create something, sell it, like, understand like how things work in life, how things operate, and like really push yourself to the limits. Because like, imagine I made an excuse like, oh no, I can't have a YouTube channel, I'm not 18 yet, and then like none of us would be here, none of us would be sat here right now, because I had the belief that, oh, I can't do anything because I'm 15 years old, I can't do anything. So like, I've done this YouTube thing for like 5 months now, uploading daily. Like, it is possible. It is like a thing you can do. And when you start getting all the progress and more rewards, your parents will support you more. They'll help you out more. They'll actually like give you a bank account. They'll give you ways to make money more often. So do that more often, and like your life, like, be happy about the low points and the stress points of like, oh, I can't make money, I can't do anything, I don't know what to do with my life. Because just know, like, all of that stuff, like, one day it's just gonna boom, it's just gonna be like that. One day it's just gonna be like that, and you're gonna feel amazing. You're gonna feel so happy about yourself. Like, the last few days of my life, bro, I just felt amazing. Even when I had school, even when like this happened in my life, I still felt amazing and so proud about myself. Like, honestly, just looking back on myself when I started, like, if I could give any advice when I started my YouTube channel, I wish I started earlier. So many people, like, in their life, like, top 5 regrets, like, oh, I wish I started this earlier. I wish I did this earlier. I wish I knew this earlier. So I hope you know that you should start doing something right now. Don't make your age as an excuse why you can't do something. Use it to the best of your ability and use it to your advantage. So yeah, I love you, bro. You're doing amazing in your life, bro, honestly. Like, you're locked in, you're ready to take on life, and you're better than all of those people. And don't overthink it, bro. Like, seriously, like, there's a billion tactics and tricks you can do to make money. Just stick on something you like doing, enjoy doing, create more and consume less, basically. Yeah, so if you want to consume less, make this like one of the last videos you watch. All right, so yeah, you got this, bro. You're doing amazing, bro. You're doing amazing.